Welcome students to distance learning. I am your Hajra ma'am and I am going to teach class 3 maths, and today's video is related to the lesson plan dated 18th August 2020. Today we are going to revise your first chapter, that is your large numbers, and in that we are going to revise numerals, number names, place value and face value, and this is a revision work for your unit test. Okay, unit test will be soon. So we are going to revise the chapter which is coming for your unit test, and the part that I have taken for today's lesson is this. So this is your topic which I have taken for today's video. So first we are going to revise number names. So we'll see with an example. So let's see our first example. So you have to write the number names for the following. So we'll take a few examples. Okay. So what you have to do when you have to write the number names. Okay, as you can see, it's the number names. So you have to write in words. Okay. This is the numeral and you have to write in words. And when you are writing the number names, you need to be very careful with the spellings. Okay? So how many digits are here? Here is 1, 2, 3, 4. So means 4 digits are there. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. So you have to start with 1000. Here is 1. So we write 1,000. 700, 60, 1. B. So in B we have 2489. In the thousand place we have 2. So we write 2000. You will not write F, okay? Thousands or hundreds, okay? 1000. 400. 89. Okay. Now we'll move to the next one. This is 1000. So in the ones place is also 0, 10, 0, and in the hundreds place also 0. So it's only 1000. And thousands place you can see 1. So you write 1000. Okay. Now we'll move to the next, that is your numeral. We'll see that with an example. So we'll take few examples for this also. 6000 99. So what you have to do in this, as you have to write the, write the numeral. So you have to write in figure. Okay. So we see the answer for A first. So it's given here 6005. Can you see here hundreds place and tens place is not mentioned? Only the thousand place and the ones place is mentioned. So in the thousand place what we have? 6. 100 place is not there, 0. Tens place is also not there, 0. And the ones place is 5. So 6000 and move to the next one, that is your B. So here we see in the thousands place we have 9, in the hundreds place we have 9, and tens place also we have 9, and in the ones place also we have 9. So we'll write 9,000 999. 9,999. So you see one more example. A day on planet Mercury is 1416 hours long. Write this number in word form. Okay. So what you have to do, you have to read the question very carefully first. Okay. A day on planet Mercury is 1416 hours long. So write this number in the word form. So you have to write this number in the word form, or you have to write the number name. So first you write this number for which you have to write the number name. Okay, first you write that. So you write the number name for this numeral 1000 400 16. Okay, children. So when you are writing, when I was checking your copies, many are getting these spelling wrong. So I just want to point out that whenever you are writing 40, like this is the 40. So whenever you are writing 40, do not write F-U-R-T-Y. This is wrong. Okay, you have to write F-O-R-T-Y. This is your correct spelling. Okay, always be careful. So now we'll move to the next topic, that is place value and face value. Place value and face value. Okay. Now place value is due to its place. Okay. We write value due to its place. and face value is actual value. Okay, actual value of the digit. Okay, now we'll see with an example. Take the correct answer. The place value of 2 in, the options are okay. So this is your question and you have to find the place value of 2 in this numeral. So as we know that the place value is the value due to its position, due to its place. Okay. So what you will do in the rough column, where the 2 is, can you see? It's not in the ones place, not in the tens place, not in the hundred place. It's in the thousands place. So this is your. But when you see the place value, when you will find what is the place value formula? Place value into place of the digit. Okay, so what is the face value? Face value of 2 is 2 and place is 1000, ones, tens, 100,000. So we will multiply with it. So we will get the answer 2000. So this is your answer. So B is your answer. Okay, so the place value of 2 in this numeral is 2000. Okay. Now we move to the next one. Okay, so this is your question. The difference between the place value and the face value of 5 in the numeral is, you have to find whichever. Okay, for this what you have to do for the rough column, what you have to do, first you have to write the place value of 5. So at what place it is? It's 100th place. So place value is 500. Okay. Now the next is face value. As you know, face value is the actual value. So 5. So face value is 5. Now what you have to do, you have to find the difference. Okay. So 500 minus 5 is how much? 495. So option C is your correct answer. Okay students. So students, we have revised today about place value, face value, number names and numeral, which is very important. And this chapter which I am revising in this video is coming for your unit test, and unit test will be around in September only. So you have to practice this very carefully, and you will choose 5 sums or 6 sums from your book and you will practice it in rough copy. Okay, keep learning. Thank you.